under the terms and conditions of the bond, a payment was due on the 20th of May. And there's a 30-day grace period beyond that, which would take you to the 20th of June to cure the payment or to make good the payment, after which it then goes into what they call a hard default. A hard default means that now you've defaulted and remedies can be exercised by bondholders to try to collect their money. What the government has done is reached out to some of the bondholders asking for an extension of this grace period by a further 90 days, which would take it to the 20th of September, to allow sufficient time for what we hope would be a positive outcome of the negotiations we're having with the bondholders to see if we can get some debt relief. So really, the request is for an extension of the grace period, and what we heard from some of the creditors is that they would support it. But we would need a majority of the creditors to support the extension of the grace period.
So you're saying it's not a case where when that period is up sometime in September, that $7 million will have to be paid at that point?
Well, a grace period gives an extension. If nothing happens, yes, it becomes due. But what we're hoping is that this will give both sides enough time to sit down and come to some understanding and some change.